Right, we are getting stuck into this odour removal on an A1 Audi, and I'm just about to dip the driver's seat belt in microcleanse, and what we're looking for here is a change in the colour of the water as the toxins that are trapped in the seat belt are released. So I can see it's definitely turning a different colour. It was like a nice translucent blue before. Okay, and that's not even 30 seconds. And we can see a difference there. Okay. Smoke odour doesn't just get trapped in fabrics. It's areas like seat belts as well. So there you have it. We're going to let that soak probably for about 10 minutes. Right, we've just dipped 5 seat belts from this year-old Audi A1, and this is what microcleanse has extracted. Okay, but we're not going to stop there. We're going to steam clean them now. Okay.